Hello and welcome back to the second episode of this HTML tutorial for beginners. In today's episode, we will be building our very first basic HTML website. To be able to follow along, you will need a code editor. Some examples are Atom, Visual Studio Code, or Notepad++. But there are other options as well, so if you go on Google and search for code editors, you will be shown different options. Just as a note, rich text editors such as Microsoft Word will not work. I will be using Visual Studio Code because it's free of charge and also it works very well. For our project, I created a folder with the name HTML tutorial and saved it on my desktop. I then just opened it up in my code editor. Right now it does not contain any files, so I will add our first one now. I will call it index.html. All HTML files have the .html extension. I called this index.html because I want it to be our home page, so if I was to add this to our server and the user just puts in a domain name, the index.html would be the first thing that gets loaded and displayed to the visitor. Then I will start adding tags to this document. The first tag I will add to the document is exclamation mark, doc type, HTML. This tag tells the browser that we are using HTML5, so the newest version. Then I will add the HTML tags. For me, the Visual Studio Code auto-completes it, so I don't have to type the closing tag. For you, this might not be the case, so you might need to type both. These HTML tags will be wrapped around our content. Often, HTML tags also have a language attribute. So like this, here our language is English and it tells the browser that we are using the English language in this document. Then the next tag I will add is the hat tag. The content we add in the hat tag is not actually displayed on our website, but instead contains important information about the document, such as the description and even the title. Today I will only add the title. I will give the site a name, and in this case I will just say PM Coding. I will now show you where you can actually see the title. If I open up this document in our browser, I will use a live server to do that. And towards the end, I will show you how you can do it without a live server. So I'm just opening it up. And now it has loaded the page. There is nothing to display as we haven't added any content. But here at the top, you can see the site name is PM Coding. The next tag I will add is the body tag. And this will hold all of our content. So I will add an H1, a heading. And I will just put a title in there like Hello World. I will add another tag, this time a paragraph, and I just say, how are you? If I save this, the page automatically reloads due to the live server, and if I have a look at it, you can now see Hello World and how are you? So if you don't have a live server enabled, I will now show you how to actually open up the page. So navigate to the folder where you have saved your index.html. I'll do that too. And then you basically just have to click on it twice. And it will open it up in your browser, you see? This is all for this episode. Basically, we created a very basic HTML page. As we continue to go through the text, you will be able to add more content. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll try to answer them. In the next video, we will go through all the headings there are. If you like this video, please subscribe. I put out tutorials every week and I will be adding many more videos to this HTML tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.